Foxy, I'm home. I'm home. Look at that. I'm home. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. Uh-oh. Either you didn't close the chair. Either you didn't close the chair. Either sleeping. Either didn't close the chair. Foxy, why you didn't come up the chair? Huh? You could have jumped on the table. You could have jumped on the table. You could have helped yourself to some snacks. Yeah, you had a bag of snacks here. And this one. Yeah, you could have been having a good time up here. Huh, Foxy? You could have been having a good time. Where are you? You over there? You could have been having a good time.